TikTok, how to change username. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change username on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change your username on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is to simply go ahead and then tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page. And here you'll find the option called edit profile that you can see, so make sure to tap the edit profile option here. And as you tap the edit profile option, what you need to do from here is you should be able to see all these sorts of interface, right? So from here you can see your name and you can see username. So to change the username, tap the username option here, and then you can just go ahead and enter whatever name you wish to, tap the save option, and your username will get successfully changed. This way you will be able to change your username on TikTok. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.